one concept, okay? Master takes the breath only inside the body. And feels the energy of the breath also when he's taking the breath, receiving the energy when he's and circulating the energy within the body and sharing. While exhalation, sharing. Okay? But great master, when he's taking the breath, he's connected to all the group, all the surrounding. He takes the breath and universal energy is coming to the group and to his body and to the group and to the whole universe. Grandmaster always, he becomes the universe. So universal breath is happening. He takes the breath, universal energies are all circulating in the whole universe. He feels that connection. Always he feels the connection. He associates himself with the universal energy, total universe. That's a grand mastery. Okay, friends? Try to always practice consciously grand mastery. When you're taking the breath, whole universe is dancing, and with exhalation also, all energies are energizing the whole universe. Inhalation, exhalation. Okay? No?